Hi there, welcome to Dawn's Workshop. This is part 9 of my Mercedes-Benz G500 build. So last time, it's got this rear seat in. It's pretty nice build. Anyway, now we're going to continue. Okay, it looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. I think this is a door, but I'm not sure. We'll see here. We're starting with this flap. If this is one door, then that's a lot of stuff going into one door. Got a lot of parts. If this is one door, okay, we got these two going here. And then we hook that on over here. Okay. Okay, lots of orange axle connectors and red axles. So that is something. How this is going to turn out. Okay, and then we put another pin there. And now I need this one that's going like that. Okay. And then we have a L beam, and it's actually going here. And one of the 5 length axles that goes there. Once again, we have a winglet here, number 7. It's number 7. 2 axle pins into that. Oh, that goes here. Is that right? Yep. And then we have the 9 beam. And it's supposed to go there. Okay. And now this 3 beam with the 90-degree axle connection. Okay, one of these. We have one of these and 2 stud pins. Okay, one of these orange 1x1 beams and a long blue pin. And that is supposed to go there. It can be like a something to like a door handle, maybe. With that, oops, well, that's not what we want to happen. Okay, get that back together. See, those always have like, they get stuck on axles in the middle. Okay, got 5 beam, and we got another one of these 2 beams with a 3 axle. And this goes here, and then one of these with the black, and that goes here. Okay, and we have an L beam. It's going on top here. So got a little space there, and now one of these little angled. We're going to do this. Not sure what percentage of angle that is, but it's a small angle. Oh, I see, they go in those spots. Like so. Ooh, now we take 6 of these and 8 of those. just hook these together. That's one of them. And that's the other one. And then we're just extending those. And now we have another one to top it off. And I use these connectors this time. And they hook on like that. And then we take this, and it is it just, is it supposed to be like that? I think it is. Okay. And then we have half beam going through there. Oh yeah, so this is like going to be like a door latch, I guess, maybe. Okay, so that's gonna go, which way is it facing? It's facing up. I think it goes like that. And then I gotta take this, put a collar on one side, push that in there, and a collar on the other side. Okay, so now, okay, that's gonna, oh, that is actually a door latch, a real door latch. It's gonna be interesting to see how well that's gonna work. Okay, time to put this door on, and it goes on here? Is that where it goes? Oh no, I see, we got this here. We're going on this side though. So we have this here, and I have this going on top of there, or it's showing inside. Oh, I'm going, okay, I do put it on the red. I put it on there, I guess. And then that's supposed to swing, okay. It's in there, how do I connect it? There is a brown pin that's going in there. Like that. Okay, that's one. And then I have one of these with the axle. And that goes, okay, that's supposed to go through here into this frame piece. So this one goes there. The axle goes through there. There we go. There's that side, and then probably one on the other side. Yep. Put one of these on the other side to hold that together. And then it's kind of, then it's opening and closing real nice. That is looks pretty good. Oh, we have an L beam. Like so. And that is going to lock, or it's not going to lock anything in, it's just going to sit there above that piece. Okay. Now, we're gonna, whatever this is, will be something. Oh, axle connector. another axle connector. Okay. Okay, that holds, well, that's going to be like part of the frame here. So I'll put that there, and then it's going to get tied in later, I guess. Oopsie. So that'll get tied in later up here, I think, or get tied in now. So it's the same thing. We're going to put 2 of these on. And then that black pin is going to go, so it's going to go like that. That's it. Now the other door. Okay. So it is both doors. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Like that. Okay, and goes there, and we have this beam. Then the L beam. That axle. Like that. Okay, and so once again, 2 stud pins and long blue pin, and this goes on this side. And this goes over here. Okay, now the L beam. No, not that way, like that. The 2 angle axle connectors. And once again, this is using up a significant number of these axle connectors and axles. This just the framing of the windows on the door. Works pretty good. And then we're going to do the same thing for the top. There we go. This goes like that. And now we have this going here. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be that little space. I'm gonna move that over. I like that better. Like that. I think that's supposed to be how it goes anyway. And now I have this is supposed to go up here. And go like that. Okay, so now we have the latch again on this door. And we just gotta put that on. There we go. That goes in here. Then we do the same thing as the other side. Gonna lock that in here. Okay, and then take that, just lock that in there. Got the L beam. And that goes back here. Okay. That way. Okay, and then that hooks on over here. And take the, well, I don't have to take this and then put this up here to hook that together. So now that's all nice and solid. And we have some doors. That has been part 9 of my Mercedes-Benz G500 build. And this time we got these rear doors on. They look really good and work quite nicely. And we have an actual latch mechanism being built into these doors. So that's going to be a neat little feature. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.